Okay, what's up, everybody? So we got a little bit of an announcement, doing something fun. It's a bit of a songwriting contest. So here we are. I'll link it below in the comment, and go check it out. We're starting a brand new thing. It's for indie songwriters. It's absolutely free, and we're going to be featuring a selection of the first 100. So what can you do? Go there, check out the link, and see what's going on. And if you like it, send your demo in, and if you really like it, you can check over to my blog page here. Scroll down, and I've got some tips for how to guarantee your song is featured in the first 100 people that sign up. So that's what we're doing today, and for the next little while. Hopefully, hopefully you guys find it interesting, and if you want to follow along, click like on the page and do all that stuff, and tell somebody who needs to see it. Tell somebody who, still wants to be a musician or whatever. Anyways, that's all for today.